channel. Today I'm showing how to make a Gantt chart in Excel. This is a very simple Gantt chart. You can make it in 20 minutes. So as you can see, I have already created an outline. So this Gantt chart you can make it in 20 minutes. And today I'm gonna show how to make it. So let's go into the video, and before going, if you are watching our channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon beside. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, and comment how the Gantt chart was. So let's go into the video. So before making this Gantt chart, we have to have the relevant information like what is the project and the start date and the target date you want to give. So as I have made a information in this sheet, and I'll show you how to make this Gantt chart. So I'm gonna open in a new sheet. I'll just copy paste this information. I'll auto fit the column width. Okay, now I'll add these dates, so it's better to copy, or else I'll show you how to do it. So the starting date I'm giving as 1st January 2024. Okay, and after that you can simply just equal to select the before date and plus 1, and you can drag it on. 13. Okay, it's 20. So after that, for the vertical alignment, you can just click on Control plus 1, and then alignment in the degrees box you can select 90 degrees, and also apply this before date. After that, you can just simply select Control Shift and right arrow, and auto fit the row height, auto fit the column width. Okay, it got compressed, and I'm merging the above row till 31st January, rating as January, and the remaining February. I'll just type Jan and Feb instead. I'm going to highlight January month with different color, and the February month with different color. Okay, after this, I'll type in the formula. Okay, this formula like if and if and if and this number is greater than or equal to the starting date and less than or equal to the target date, I'll just show as X, or else nothing. So it will show as X. If we drag this, the numbers will change. So in order to not to change, we can just use the dollar symbol. Okay, just I'm gonna drag till the end and move it to bottom. So as you can see, we already got those X marks. So again, in order to make this color, like make this as color, in the conditional formatting tab, new rule, and format only cell that contains, and in the specific value, and I'm going to type it as X. And after that, I'll select the format like to yellow color or green color. I'll choose yellow. Okay. And the text color also yellow because we don't want the text to be visible. So that I'll click on it. So as you can see, the X got all highlighted as yellow. And after that, I'm gonna select this whole table. I'm gonna select this whole chart and then click on Ctrl+1. And in the border type, I'm gonna select up, middle, down, and right. I'm gonna select the color gray. Okay, as you can see, we have kept the borders, and for the tape coming to the chart, again Ctrl+1, and I'm gonna add the middle borders. Okay, so this is the simple Gantt chart. I have made it in 10 to 20 minutes. You can also make this Gantt chart more attractive by adding different colors for your requirement. I hope you like this Gantt chart, and if you like this chart, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon beside so you won't miss a single video. Bye friends.